Welcome to my humble house. Susan's over there working, and I'm just chilling. And we're supposed to be making brownies, but I'm waiting for her to finish her working. You can do it, Susan. Hi. Makeup? I have makeup.
Please say again that I'm beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's Susan, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, because why not? So right now, I'm at Ella's house and we're gonna make some we're gonna make brownies. And the thing is, actually, we spent almost an hour in the grocery store. We had 6 or 7 recipes, but somehow Koreans, we have no idea how the Koreans cook or bake, because they sold absolutely nothing. So the only thing that we got was this bullshit. It's not even for the oven, it's a freaking microwave brownie. So we thought we wanted
So sad.
and since this is gonna be a baking video, we need something bake-ish, and we wanted to try a little bit more effort. So we got some Oreos to put into the brownies to make it more like we're putting effort into this. And we got walnuts to put in the other half. So actually, for this damn recipe, the only thing you need is water. It's not no eggs, no milk, no nothing. Just add water. Oh my god, do you know this the show H2O with the mermaids? H2O, just add water. So then this turned into a reaction video.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah? What's your first reaction? Have you seen it?
I have not, but I know of this.
Yes! What's inside? Unboxing.
It's brownies.
Wait, it's just this bag?
Yeah.
I thought we would get like the tin as well. In the Netherlands, in the Netherlands, if you buy like such thing as this, they give you one paper. Like,
Seriously?
yeah. Do you even have something like this?
No.
So
We didn't think about this very well.
well, I thought you would get it with it, like in the Netherlands.
Oof. This is gonna be too big for the microwave.
Really?
Yeah. They're like that big.
Are you sure? Wait,
My microwave isn't that big.
It's like this big.
If mermaids could have shark fins instead of mermaid tails,
Ew, but no, that's scary.
that'd be way cooler. Less fake. Put it in the microwave.
Wait, did you, what? Is this really your plan?
No.
Okay, I thought you were serious. We can mix it with a fork.
Oh, that's a good idea. We should never start a cooking show.
What?
Or maybe we should and just wing it all the time.
Or in our own countries, we could definitely do it.
Yeah.
But in Korea,
Look at her go.
and they're little, what's this? Chocolate chips inside. Oh fuck it! I just brought them in. They're chocolate chips somewhere. What did the packaging say about what the consistency needs to be?
It says it needs to be not powdery. And it says that you should stir from like 1 or 2 minutes-ish. Wow.
So it is time to decorate this attempt of a brownie. I feel like a professional baker. I want to apply for Nailed It now. Oh yeah. This is how talented we are.
In other words, not very talented.
Okay, let's put it in the microwave.
Yeah, boy. 3 minutes and 30 seconds to 4 minutes.
That short? I don't trust that. This is the most pathetic cooking video I Oh, it just got a lot better. We took it out. I think it's not ready yet.
I think it is.
Should we touch it?
I did.
With our hand. I was just, should we do it with our hands, but you already touched with the hand?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it is.
Something
I
about
have a plastic knife. Oh, maybe it's not done.
girl, this is not. This is just batter right there. Okay, so we put it back and now we're gonna see if it's better or not.
Kind of.
I think it's still a bit wet, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get. If we bake it more, it's just gonna get like really cakey and
Okay,
weird.
okay, we just found one of a kind limited edition backwards build Oreo. Okay, can you show like the inside? Is that the different one? The other side? Yes. Okay, let's try. Are you going for the audio part or?
Oreo. Ready?
Yes.
Mmm.
That sounds so fake.
It's okay. It's not bad.
Okay, can I have a piece with the walnut? It's a little bit warm still. I like it. So,
Yeah!
so we almost ate everything of the brownie. Actually, it tastes really good, I think.
It's pretty good.
But almost, it could not really gone wrong.
Yeah, you can't really mess it up. You have
Anyway,
to try pretty hard.
yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Okay, bye.
If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have.
Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Shut that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up.